That's the scariest thing I've seen all night.
Oh, okay, okay. My Etsy. Oh, Harrison, do you want to sit on the ground?
Yeah.
Alright, no, let him open it, okay?
Major, that's not for you, buddy.
Major, like.
Go sit down.
Can you get it, or you need help?
Mommy may need to help you open it.
I need you, Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy, look, Mom, I did it.
Here,
You did it. What? What is it?
What is it?
Look at his face.
Getting mixed signals here. Michael's giving piggyback rides. Everybody's taking turns. Here we go. We're off.
First house. Yeah.
Hey, trick or treat.
I mean, all Violet. Hold on.
Here's what?
I mean, you're the cameraman, so it's all good. Make sure you say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, so we're off trick or treating. Our neighbors made this cool Halloween thing. So they're actually up top there, and they're gonna put the candy down the chute. Hold on. See, and then they're gonna put the candy in there, and it's gonna pop out. Oh, look at this! Look at that! What do you say? Look, they're up there.
Hi. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, guys. LadyBug. What can you say? So hi. Hi.
I love that.
I know, that is so... Oh, it says... What does it say? Press here. Oh, you gotta press the doorbell. Press the doorbell.
Hi, press it.
Yeah.
Hey, you want candy?
Did you push it? Whoa, look at that! Oh, no! That's awesome!
And we press the button and the eye opens.
Wow.
That's
so cool. the doorbell.
Just one time though, okay?
It's not working.
Just wait.
Just knock on the door.
I think I saw something.
There we go.
Okay, and Elianna. Remember, if they open, you gotta say trick or treat.
Baby shark. Shark. There's a kid over there that's baby shark costume. Baby shark.
Shark, baby shark, baby shark.
I'm noticing a slight issue with this mailbox. It's
Hey, look, it's Drew Winkler.
it's leaning there.
Wow, slightly.
Daddy, look at what I have.
Wow, I've never seen
What'd you get? That's a Karate Kid toy. It seems like there's some problems with the mailboxes here. Look at that one. And then that one over there is leaning.
Somebody hit it. Looked like him.
What's going on with these mailboxes?
Somebody came around the corner.
Hopefully nobody hits mine. All right, so it's 6:30. Sun's going down, kids are getting tired. So good thing we actually made a little loop because we're gonna go back and chillax. Watch the Cowboy game. We did about a half mile, I guess. It's cool though, our neighborhood, a lot of the kids know each other. So we actually end up forming a big group of like 20 kids. It was pretty awesome. Hey, don't you be getting any ideas.
What are you talking about? Little baby.
What?
Ghosts are about to come out, buddy.
It's getting dark.
Ghosts are coming
I
out.
mean, the ghosts are gonna come out. So if-
No, that's not real.
No, that's not real.
Hey,
this is real.
Are you sure?
Hey, this is real.
Yeah.
Actually, no.
Hey, wait for everybody there.
Oh my gosh, look.
Oh my gosh, you guys got to see this house. Saw the creepy house, now we get to the cool house. Hey, I have a question. You ready? Did you guys get a lot of candy?
Yeah.
Oh, that was weak. Did you guys get a lot of candy?
Yeah.
That's all you got? You tired?
No.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
There we go. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for tonight for Halloween. We had a fabulous time walking around the neighborhood. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. We're gonna be out just chilling, eating some candy, talking to our neighbors, having a good time. So thanks for watching. Happy Halloween. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye.
Listen.
Harrison. Is it going? Yeah, it's going. Harrison, you need to hang that in your room until it's time to go trick-or-treating, or you're going to get it all stinky and dirty. And then when
Okay.
Halloween comes, you're not going to be able to wear it. And if you end up tripping, you might tear it. So you need to
Okay.
hang it up. I would
Okay.
not have sent it to you early if you weren't going to take it off and put it in your room somewhere where it's safe. Hang it on your closet door and you can see it all the time.
Okay, I will.
Talk to you later. Love you.
Love you.
Are you gonna sleep with it? Is that what you're wanting?
But mommy, before we go to tomorrow after Halloween is over and we come back, I promise I will take it off.
Tonight.
Yeah.
You're only gonna wear it for like 2 minutes.
Maybe for 3 minutes, and then maybe once.
Okay, 3 minutes. I will set the time on Alexa, but mommy's not making you fly.
If I let
It's, I think, hers.
She's a little, there we go.
Is it yours for the cat?
Here he comes.
All out eating?
No, here he comes. Squirrel's coming. Here he comes. There he is. Oh, he went up there.
How's this all wet?
What's left?
Ate all that?
How late are you gonna be up tonight, buddy? Late.
Not all of it. We'll see it.
Is it good candy?
Is that okay?
He's like, yeah! It's yucky, isn't it? It looks yucky.
Can I